A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Urdu Master. Today we are going to learn about what is your name and where are you from. So let's start. Normally people ask the first question is that where do you live? And in Urdu it will be like आप कहाँ रहते हैं? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? My reply is I am living in the city. मैं शहर में रहता हूँ. मैं शहर में रहता हूँ. मैं शहर में रहता हूँ. And sometimes I reply in another way. I say I am living in the Karachi. मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. Another way to ask the same question is आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? The reply is I am from Karachi. मैं कराची से हूँ. And sometimes a slightly different. मैं सिंध से हूँ. I am from Sindh. And another variety of the same question is where do you belong from? आपका ताल्लुक़ कहाँ से है? Reply is I belong to Karachi. मेरा ताल्लुक़ कराची से है. There are a lot of people in this world who lives in villages. If you are one of them, then your reply will be I belong to a village. मैं एक गांव से ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ. Now you know how to say where are you from and where I am from. The most popular question of the world is what's your name? आपका नाम क्या है? My name is Bakar, so I will say मेरा नाम बाकर है. Then they will say I am glad to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. और they will say आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Then your reply will be simply me too. मुझे भी. That's all for today. For more, stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel Urdu Master and like our FB page. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and Allah Hafiz.